when creating a mesh system to expand Wi-Fi coverage at home. One of the most prominent kits last year was the Linksys Velop, with up to 185 m2 of coverage per element, tri-band network capabilities AC 2200 867 plus 867 plus 400 Mbps, MU-MIMO, and of course the 802 standard. The initial set with 3 nodes costs about €429, something that the brand wanted to solve by putting a new version for sale with benefits cut but a more attractive price. It is basically the same product SKU, technical name WHW0103, although its external size has been reduced slightly thanks in part to the fact that it has suppressed one of the communications bands. That is, now we have a dual-band device also compatible with Wi-Fi AC, but now of a type AC 1300 867 Mbps and 5 GHz and 400 Mbps and 2.4 GHz. Otherwise, it has maintained LAN connectivity with 2 Gigabit ports Ethernet capable of detecting when a device is connected, and the maximum coverage of around 500 square meters if we have 3 nodes installed.